Hello everybody, I am Madam Gracious Kanzieni from Educare, Tanzania. Welcome for our session. Today we are going to learn chemistry subject and our class level is Form 3. Our topic today, we are going to have the topic known as acids, bases and salts. In this topic we are going to have the three subtopics, and the first subtopic is acids, and the second is the concept of base, and the third one is the concept of salts. Today we are going to see the concept of acids, which is our first subtopic of this topic. Okay, when we start with the acid concept, now we are going to see what is the acid and what is within the acid. We are going to see more and detailed about the acid. By definition, acid is a chemical substance or compound when dissolved in water produce hydrogen ions as only positive charged ions. Kwamba the acid ni ile substance au ni zile compound ambazo zikidissolve kwenye maji zina produce the hydrogen ions, ambazo hydrogen ions zinakuwa ni positive charged. Kwamba tunaona ile compound ikidissolve kwenye water ina produce the hydrogen ions ambazo ni positive charged. For example, you can see more about this definition or this meaning. You can see this is hydrochloric acid or H-chlorine, which is aqueous. This is our compound now. When it dissolves in water, we are going to have the hydrogen ions, which is positive charged, and we have chlorine ions. So, mean that the acid involve those compounds whereby when it dissolves in water tend to produce the hydrogen ions which are positive charged, but it tend to produce the another ions which are associated with that compound. But what we consider the positive ion charge, or the only hydrogen ion which is positive charge. Another example is sulfuric acid compounds, whereby when it dissolves in water we are going to have the hydrogen ion as well and the sulfate ions. And another is nitric acid, whereby when it dissolves in water we are going to have the hydrogen ions which is positive charged and another ion which are dissociated with, which are accompanied with this compound of nitric acid. Another one is acetic acid. This one compound it dissociate partial to produce, but it produce what? The hydrogen ions, and these hydrogen ions are positively charged, as we have seen in our definition. So when you see these compounds, all compounds or substances which tend to dissolve in water and produce the hydrogen ions which are only positive charged, this is what we say acid. Okay, let us see the nature of acid. Word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means a sour. Kwamba the acid ni jina la Kilatini ambalo lenyewe linaitwa acidus. Na maana yake ni kwamba ni so, yani tunaangalia zile so kama ni chungu au ni gwadu au ni sweet, yeah. But the acid it means it comes from the Latin word acidus, and the acidus it means the so, tunaangalia it's like ugwadu, yani uchungu, kama uchungu, yeah. That is the nature of acid. And some acids occur naturally and some of the acid can be synthesized. Kwamba acid nyingine zinatokea natural, natural its occurrence, kwamba zinatokea automatic, yani zinatokea natural, no any human being efforts or force applied, but it tend to occur. natural. And another acids zinakuwa zinatengenezwa, zinakuwa synthesized, kwamba zinakuwa zinatengenezwa. We can see more, tutaona mbeleni kwamba kuna acids zile tunazozitumia kule laboratories, those are synthesized, or are those acids which are not natural, which are made by human being. Now, the substance which contain natural acids includes the citrus fruits like orange, lemon, and limes. But another natural source is a sour milk. Kwamba tunaona kwamba zile natural, some of the substances which contain the natural acids, those acids which are natural, we can see the citrus acids, yale matunda ya ambayo yapo in form of citrus. Kwa mfano tunaona orange, machungwa, malimao, tunaona lemon, ndims, this lime. Lakini pia natural source of sour milk, maziwa mtindi yale, yani maziwa loganda. Those are natural milk, natural source of acids, kwamba zile acid ambazo zinakuwa ni natural kwenye maziwa, kwenye citrus fruits ambayo tumeona kwamba ni oranges, lemon and lime fruits. Okay, let us consider the table below which show the examples of different natural acids and their source. Kwamba acid tofauti lakini ina sources zake, kwamba their sources and some of the name of natural acids. We have citrus acid, and this citrus acid tumeona kwamba inatokea from the source of citrus fruit, kwenye yale matunda. Kwa mfano tunaona tuna citrus fruits such as lemons and orange. Another natural acid is lactic acid. The lactic acid, this is a natural acid where its source is sour milk, cheese and mussels. Kwamba hizi lactic acid unaweza zinapatikana kwenye sour milk, kwenye maziwa yaloganda yale, maziwa mtindi. Vile vile kwenye cheese, vile vile kwenye mussels, in the muscle, kwenye misuli kuna lactic acid. Another is acetic acid. This acetic acid is observed in vinegars and rotten fruits such as grapes, pineapples and orange. Kwamba vinegar I hope tunaitumia nyumbani wakati tunachemsha nyama, huwa tunaitumia. So this is a natural acid known as acetic acid. It is in vinegars. Also the rotten fruits, kwa mfano zabibu, mananasi, we call it pineapple, and oranges. Another is tartaric acids. This is from the grapes, bananas and tamarind, kwamba kwenye zabibu, kwenye ndizi, But also we have the oxalic acid. This oxalic acid, it is natural acid whereby its source is from the spinach and tomatoes. Kwa spinach ni aina ya mboga uwaga tunakula sana kule nyumbani. Spinach ni majani yale. So na yale majani tunayala kama mboga. They contain this acid which is oxalic acid. Also in the tomatoes, kwenye nyanya kuna acid ambazo hizi acid actually ni natural. So we have another is formic acid where it is from bee or ant stings. Hii tunaona kwenye wadudu wale nyuki wanakuwa wana contain this natural acid ambayo ni formic acid. Another is ascorbic acid. This is from fruits and vegetables, for example tomato. Tumeona kwa mfano tuliona kwenye oxalic acid kwamba the source of this natural acid is from spinach and tomato. But so the ascorbic acid, it is from the vegetables, na vegetable tunaangalia kuna spinach, vile vile tomatoes tunaweza tukapata hii natural acid ambayo ni ascorbic acid. Another acid is folic acid. This also is from the source of fruits and vegetables, nuts and grains, kwamba kwenye nuts zile haranga. Also we have malic acid. This malic acid is the natural acid where it is the source is from apples, strawberries and plums, kwamba haya ni aina ya matunda pia vile vile ambayo haya yame contain this kind of natural acid known as malic acid. Okay, now we are going to see that here we are going to see those concept of synthesized acids, kwamba zile acid ambazo zinakuwa sasa zimekuwa made, zimetengenezwa, are not naturally in its occurrence, kwamba katika kutokea kwake haitokei natural, bali inatengenezwa. Now we have the acids found in the laboratory include the following. We have hydrochloric acid, HCl, we have sulfuric acid, we have nitric acid. These are commonly found in our laboratories and we are using it in different practical sessions, and this we call it synthesized acids. And remember that here we are dealing with the nature of the acids. Tukaona kwamba acids zinaokaa naturally, tunaona natural occurrence of the acids, na nyingine ndo kama hizi laboratories, yani acid ambazo zinapatikana katika laboratory. Okay, let us see the properties of acid. Sifa za acid ni zipi? Okay, we can start with the physical properties of acid. When we talk about physical properties of acid, we can see that the acid have a sour taste, kwamba acid yenyewe ina sour taste. Na sour taste tuliona kwamba acid ni jina ambalo linatokana na jina la Kilatini ambalo linaitwa acidus. Na acidus tuliona maana yake direct ni kwamba ni sour, kwamba ule ugwadu au ule uchungu, kitu kama kichungu fulani, au kina ugwadu, that is sour. So acid zenyewe huwa zina nini? Zina sour taste, yani ladha yake you can taste as sour taste. A sour taste of vinegars, sour milk and other unripe fruits like lemons, kwamba tunaona kwa mfano kwenye maziwa, kwenye vinegar hizo, you can taste also when you are at home. Chukua ile vinegar unaitumia wakati unachemsha nyama, it got the sour taste, yani ina ile sour taste. Vile vile unripe fruits, hapa tunaongelea matunda ambayo hajaiva, kwa mfano lemons, when you eat or you taste the lemon which is unripe, ambalo yani halijaiva, halijafikia kwenye ile standard ambayo you can use it, inakuwa